Hello students, lesson 10 Little Benjamin. This is video number 3. In this video we will solve the exercises given on page number 87, 88, 89. Let's see. Solving the exercises and activities, let me learn some hard words given in this chapter. The first word is expecting. Second word is exclaimed. Third is murmured. Orphanage, excitement, pleasant, again this excitement again, dimpled, beaming, consul. These are difficult words in this chapter. Now we learn some word meanings of this chapter. First word, my heart. It means God or lovely one. Next is rough hand. What is the meaning of rough hand? Rough hand means careless and hurried handwriting. Number 3, waster. Waster means useless and good for nothing. Fourth, watched the process with eager eyes. Watch the process with eager eyes. It means looked eagerly. Looked eagerly. Next word, chucklehead. This is chucklehead. It means a stupid person. Yellowhead. Yellowhead means silky golden hair. Number 7, sober. Sober means serious and thoughtful. Next, privilege. Privilege means a special right or advantages. These are the word meanings in this chapter. Now we solve the book exercises. First one is comprehension. A. Read these sentences and answer the questions. You see the questions from the book, and in the slide we are solving these exercises. Answers are on your slides. The first one, A. Read these sentences and answer the questions. First one, it's a basket. Father. A. Question is, who said these words? Adam said these words. B. What was in the basket? Answer is, a baby was in the basket. Second question, come here girls. A. Question is, who said these words? Mother Golden said these words. B. Question, why did the speaker call the girls? Answer is, the speaker called the girls to see the baby. Next question, then that's settled. A. Who said these words? Answer is, Father Golden said these words. Next, what was settled? Answer is, to keep the baby with them. Question 4, how can he talk when he hasn't got any teeth? Question is, who said these words? Answer, Adam said these words. B. Who replied and what did he or she say? Answer is, Mother Golden said that the baby got a tooth too. 5. Question is, he says his name's Goo. Who said these words? Joseph said these words. B. What name was he finally given? The final name was the Little Benjamin. B. Answer these questions. First question, page number 87. Why did Mother Golden send Adam out of the room? Answer is, Mother Golden sent Adam out of the room to see kitten and let it in. Next question. What did Ruth and Mary want to do with the baby? Answer is Ruth and Mary wanted to take care of the baby. Next question, number 3. What did Mother Golden find in the baby's cloth? Answer is Mother Golden found a note having details of baby in the baby's clothes. Number 4. What did Father Golden first say that they should do with the baby? What was the family's response? Again, I am repeating the question. What did Father Golden first say that they should do with the baby? What was the family's response? Answer is Father Golden first said that baby should send to the orphanage, but the family members wanted to keep the baby with them. Question 5. What did the baby look like? Describe him in your own words. Answer is baby was look like a rose having the rosy dimpled cheeks with golden curly hair. Next question. Describe briefly how the family selected a name for the baby. The answer is the family selected a name of the baby from the Bible. The youngest son, Joseph, opened the Bible and put his finger on the verse and chose the name Benjamin, the little Benjamin. Next, D, page 87. Take the correct words within the brackets. First one, please tell me in advance if you are not getting to the meeting. You are. Right response is you are. Page change 88. Second, the package was arrived. It's on the table. It's IT apostrophe S. It's on the table. 3. What is your name? What is your name? Right option is YOUR. Fourth, my cycle is over there. It's the blue one parked in the corner. It is. In short, IT apostrophe S. Number 5. I hope you are coming to my party tonight. You are. YOU apostrophe RE. You are coming to my party tonight. Number 6. This house is in a poor condition. Its roof has to be repaired. It's ITS. Its roof has to be repaired. Page 88. E. A goose set the baby in a gurgle. Choose some more sound words from the box to match the animal or thing that it goes with. Some words are creak, rumbles, squeak, croak, hiss, chimes. The first one, a doorbell chimes. CHIMES. Second, a snake hiss. HISS. Number 3, a frog croak. Number 4, thunder rumbles. RUMBLES rumbles. A mouse squeak. SQUEAKS squeaks. Number 6, stairs creak. CREAK creak. These are the sounds, natural sounds of this thing or animals. Next one is F and G. Here you can do this activity in homework. Find the words meaning from the dictionary. And in G also you have to underline 3 adverbs and circle 5 adjectives in this poem by Lewis Carroll. Do it in the homework work. Next is H, page number 89. Change these adjectives into adverb. The first adjective into adverb. The adjective is here cheerful. Then we can make adverb cheerfully. CHEERFULL cheerfully. Second, eager, eagerly. Number 3, sweet, sweetly. Rough, roughly. Unusual, unusually. Number 6, lovely, loving, lovingly. So these are the solutions of lesson 10. Activities, question answers, comprehensions, word meaning, words. All the things have been solved in this video. See the book and match the answers from the slides. Thank you.